2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited, 45,000 miles, clean auto check, comes with a 30-day dealer warranty. Give you a look. See, it does have the classic Jeep styling with the up and down grille with the chrome bezels, plastic inserts. It has a super bright LED headlights and your parking and fog lights. See the tires and wheels. There is 18-inch polished aluminum rims. Have Continental tires on there. They're around half tread. Have integrated signals in your mirrors. You have your brushed aluminum roof racks along with your satellite radio antenna. Interior is black on black. Heated passenger and driver leather seats. Does have brushed aluminum trim pieces on your dash and your door panels. Second row has the bench seat. Does have a power source on the back of your console along with your heat and AC vents. And if you're hauling something in the back and you need more space, these seats do fold down flat. And rear tires and wheels about the same all the way around. And show you the badging on the back. Jeep 4x4 Limited model. Does have the rear backup cam, which is right here. Has rear defrost and wipers. And see, there's quite a bit of cargo space in the back. One neat little thing here is it does have a removable trim piece. So if you need to haul some taller things in that cargo cubby hole there, you can put them in there. And then that just locks back in place after you get it lined up. There's the 12-volt power source underneath that. Lift up the carpeted floor. So you do have some cubbies under there for storage. Under that will be your spare tire and your jack and your tools. And again, the seats fold flat on this side just as well as the other side. You can look at the interior. As I mentioned, it does have the nice brushed aluminum dress-up pieces. You do have your power locks, windows, and mirrors on the driver's door. Just inside, you have your headlight controls, you have your dimmer switches for your interior lighting, and your buttons for your power driver seat. Crawl inside, you will see you have your voice recognition system, you have your telephone settings, you have your heads-up display for your dash. All that's controlled right through these buttons. On the opposite side, you have your cruise control, and on your tree knobs that stick out, you have your headlights on the left, and you have your front and rear wipers on the right. And it does have push button start. Go ahead and light the dash up. See, the current mileage is 45,913. And I'll light the instrument panel up here a little bit, and the stereo. You will see it does have satellite radio, as I mentioned. You can control your heating for your seats and your steering wheel on this screen. You can also link your phones, your iPods, all those devices through this. And as you see, your apps, your media, everything's all controlled through this one setting. And down below that, you have your audio controls, traction control, front and rear defrost, and you have your selector switch. Select terrain is called on this model. It is, if you're driving in snow, you have a sport mode, and you have a sand and mud button actually. So depending on what conditions you're driving in, you can select that on the switch. On the other side, you have your slot for your SD card. You have a USB port, auxiliary port, and a 12-volt power source. Your automatic gear shift selector. You have your electronic parking brake, dual little cup holders with the ambient lighting around them. And then in the cubby hole armrest, you have another 12-volt power source. You have another USB port. And the seats also have the Jeep embroidery right on the backs of them. Another thing that's pretty neat is the passenger seat actually folds up, and there's quite a deep storage container underneath that also. Jeeps and Chrysler products are known for trying to maximize storage space. Also has some nice dark wood grain trim on the doors. And there's also a little cubby hole at the top of the dash for storage. It is nice and clean. No pet smoke odor whatsoever. Nice carpeting, no tears or rips. Seats are in decent shape. We'll go ahead and fire up the engine and give you a look out under the hood. You'll notice it does have a 2.4 liter MultiAir 4-cylinder engine. Pretty staple engine for these Cherokees. Pretty good fuel economy and plenty of power and torque to get you up and down the mountain. You can see it is nice and clean under the hood also, as is the rest of the vehicle. And with that 2.4 liter engine, they do have the 9-speed automatic transmission paired up with that. So that's a pretty good engine transmission combination. Last thing we're going to do here is I'm going to walk you around one more time and show you any imperfections that are on this Jeep that we can find. There is about an inch long scratch here, has been sealed over. That would be the passenger front fender. There is a small ding on the passenger rear door. Probably not quite the size of a pea. The back's actually good and clean. It's usually a problem spot for SUVs with people loading and unloading things, but this one's pretty clean back here in the back. The wheels are all in pretty good shape. No curb rash or anything on those. It's actually a real sharp, good looking Cherokee. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look, give us a call, 717-485-4224. Salespeople would be happy to hook you up with a test drive. Or if you want to look us up on our website, that is www.thomasata.com. Thank you.